Bridger.
Hey, Nathan. Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, great to have you.
Beautiful house.
Thank you so much.
How long have you guys been here?
We moved here in 2013.
2013? Nice.
And previous owners have been here 50 years, and so there was a lot to do.
Yep.
We redid the kitchen and the bathrooms, but the dining room never really got the attention it deserved.
So you saved me a project?
I saved you a project.
Good. And you wrote me about wainscoting, and I think this would be a great addition to put it into this room. You know, over the years in homes like this, they would have added wainscoting to the lower third of the wall to protect it from the chairs or the kids running around. Got to keep the plaster looking good. You got raised panel, flat panel, walled panel. You could add beadboard, tongue and groove, V-groove. So we have a lot of options, but I think it would look beautiful in this room. You know, we have a lot of smaller, kind of broken up little pieces of wall, so each wall is actually going to be a little bit custom to what we're given.
Yeah, we were worried about how to figure out behind the piano and how to...
We'll do a little bit of math there. We try and break it up evenly if we can, but around the radiators, we're kind of forced to do a certain layout over there. Over here, nice clean wall. You know, we'll probably break this up into 2 spots, but one thing I like to do is look around the house. Do you have any wainscoting anywhere else?
We do. We have some in the bathroom.
You enjoy the look of it?
I do.
All right, we'll try and match that. Let's go take a look.
Okay. The bathroom's right over here. This is one of the ones we renovated.
All right.
And we put this wainscoting in.
Oh, this is great. So like a flat panel or just a general paneled look is what you guys like?
Yeah.
Perfect. We can do that.
Great.
So now we have our design, a nice, simple wall paneled look. We need to talk about the height that we want to finish it at. Anything between 36 and 42 inches looks nice in an older home. We wouldn't want to go too high like you might do in a modern home. So I think it'll finish nice at 36. Yeah. It'll protect the wall, nice, easy look. What's great too about the wall paneled look is it's going to be really flat against the wall. The wall will become the panel. If you went with a raised panel or a flat panel, that might come out past your back band, so you're going to have to change a lot of things if you do that. As far as layout, we know about 3 feet high. I'll probably just cut a 3-foot stick as my guide as we go around and do our little wall sections. I'm not going to set up a laser in an older home. I don't want anything to be pitched down if it's settled. I think we just need to move that piano and we can get started.
All right.
Perfect. That's enough space right there.
Is that good?
Yeah.
All right.
Need a pencil?
Thanks.
All right, to get started, we're going to pull your existing base cap. To do that, we're going to score the top and the bottom with a utility knife. And then we'll take a pry bar and a shingle, and we'll go around the room and we'll gently ease it away, trying not to damage any of the wall. You hear that seal breaking.
Yeah.
Sneak in there.
Got it.
Okay. And then we'll just work our way along. Okay. All right, so we got nails of about every 16 inches. All right, so we have our gauge stick cut to the height we like. I added this little build out on the backside so that way it's nice and plumb with the baseboard. I'm just gonna sit that right on the ground, strike a line in that corner. I'm gonna come over here, repeat the process, and then I'll use a real fine chalk line. We'll snap it, and what I did is I made it a little bit shorter. This will be the top of our upper rail, and then we'll cap it on the chair rail so any of our lines will disappear. If you want to snap right in the middle. All right, good. Cool.
Okay.
All right there. Cool. All right, we got our piece cut. Do a dry fit and check it. I have a little scrap with a miter on it, so that'll return in nicely there.
Nice.
So we're going to add a little bit of construction adhesive to the backside to help get a better bond to the wall. So we'll just work to that line. So I'm going to do a couple of nails in the corner. And then go down just a hair. there, and then if we go down below, we have our old base cap.
Yep.
I checked, that was actually nailed into the studs. So I can bring that layout up top, so I can come over 12 and a half and 27 3/4, 12 and a half, 27 3/4. So we know now when we nail through, we should be going through the plaster into a stud. Just regular wood glue for these miters. And then we got construction adhesive on the back side there. So I'm going to set my left and my right style. So this one will tuck right in this corner here. What is half of 37 and 3/16?
18 and 5/8.
You are correct. So we'll go 18 and 5/8. What is half of 3 and a half?
1 3/4.
So now we'll take that. We have our center and our center, so now we know that's where we want to be. All right, so we got our piece. We need a little bit of construction adhesive on it. All right, so we have our base cap here. What we're going to start to do is trim around the inside. And I'm just going to use a small brad nailer, some 1 1/4 brads. So to finish things off, I picked up some of this bullnose. It's a real simple detail, but it'll cap the top, give it that finished look.
And is the bullnose a traditional cap?
Yeah, it's very traditional to apply the bullnose to the top. One thing I like to add underneath, which is very traditional, is a small piece of scotia. See how that kind of finishes off that seam?
Excellent. Wow, what a great job.
You are good to go. What a day. I mean, it really blends in, but wait until you see it painted. It's going to be perfect.
This is quite a transformation.
Good. A little bit of homework, though. A little putty, a little caulking, a little painting.
All right.
But you were saying you might get the house painted, so good time to call the guys inside and finish it up.
Got it.
Well, enjoy.
Thank you, Nathan. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.